Hi guys, it's Tanya M and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a wig review brought to you by Luvme Hair. Thank you Luvme Hair for sending me over this wig to share with my YouTube girlies. This one is actually found on Prime. It's an Amazon Prime wig, so you can get her super fast for cheap. This is a 5x5 lace closure. It has 3 combs and it also has the adjustable band on the inside, so you can wear her glueless and secure. Of course, you know Luvme always provides a nice packaging as well as some great goodies. So I got a silk band, a rat tail comb, some wig caps, storage bag, etc., etc. I'm going to go ahead and tint this wig. If you like videos like this, guys, please hit that subscribe button and then hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload new content. Absolutely love this. As soon as I sprayed it with the lace tinting spray, it melts as soon as you put it on. I did not even wear a wig cap, guys. Look at that, up close and personal. It just blended so perfectly into my skin. I love how the wig cap, I feel like this could fit all head sizes. I usually have a problem because I have a small peanut head. But the lace on this wig, it lays so flush to my skin. That's a lot to do with the band on the inside. So let's go ahead and test out the hair on this unit. As the density goes, I would say she's between 150, 180, which for me, that is a natural density. Sometimes when it's too thick, it just looks fake. We want to go for a natural look. So I'm taking my new Tymo Airflow flat iron / curler, and I'm going in and just applying the heat, seeing how well this wig takes heat. And as you can see, it's taking it very well. This hair texture is a body wave. I believe I will write it differently if it's a straight unit. I think it is straight. I ain't gonna lie. So this is a straight hair texture. But as you can see, like with the flat iron, and I have it on like a good moderate setting, like not too hot, but obviously hot enough. And it's taking the heat very well. I'm gonna go in and style her in a minute. But let's talk about how easy this is gonna be to purchase on. So I have the 22 inch first off. So I have the 22 inch. I'm going to go in and add some layers, but I have the 22 inch, and on Amazon, she was listed as $149 and some change. Of course, that's before taxes are added. And if you have Amazon Prime, it's free shipping. So also, if I checked it, the last time I checked it was yesterday, you can have like a $20 off coupon that you can add to at checkout. So this wig is really cheap and 22 inches is really good. I'm 5'2", so 22 inches comes down probably to like my mid back. I'm going to go in with this Tymo curler. This is my first time using this, guys. So the wig didn't curl exactly how I wanted it to, just because, you know, I'm trying to get used to this thing. I've been seeing it all over TikTok and I'm really impressed with the video. So I just feel like I have to get used to seeing it. See, like one side curled the way I wanted to and the other side did not. I'm a lefty, so sometimes it comes out like that for me. But as far as the quality, it had very minimal shedding. Like I said, it curls very well. I tried to straighten out the side that I curled the most, and it just would not straighten that easily. So I will say that this wig does hold a good curl. The hair is very shiny. It's bouncy. I definitely highly recommend. All the links will be in the description box below, of course. And I just want to say that thank you to my loyal subscribers. Thank you to everybody who has been purchasing from me. If you don't know, I own my personal beauty brand, 1111 Beauty. I sell customized synthetic wigs. I also sell mink lash strips. And I do resell human hair wigs that I review on this channel. So if you want to get like one of these wigs at a discounted price, head on over to my Instagram. Not my Instagram, I'm sorry. Head on over to my website that we link down below. I also will link below my Amazon content page, basically my Amazon storefront. So you'll see all the wigs that I will recommend for you will be listed there. human and synthetic, as long as some necessities for your wig, etc., etc. You can also follow my beauty brand on Instagram. I don't know if I'm going to open my personal Instagram page up again. I might, depending on if TikTok is banned, but I do have a TikTok, and you can follow me there as well. So that will be linked down below as well. But yeah, look at this. I was struggling with this flat iron slash curler. I thought that would be a good idea, but I'm so used to like a barrel curler. But whatever. I feel like it still came out cute. I'm gonna recurl her later. But this wig came out pretty cute. Definitely recommend. Again, she's natural. She's one of those wigs that you can throw on and go. No need to like add lace spray or lace adhesive spray. No need to add glue. You can just throw her on and go. This is probably going to be my go-to everyday wig. So I'm really impressed by it. And tell me what y'all think. Love Me always comes with the bangers though. Love Me always comes with the easy application wigs. They're just 100%. But thank you guys for watching. Bye.